In electrical troubleshooting, you need two things above all else: absolute accuracy and rugged durability. Welcome to Top Home Finds. Today we're revealing the top 5 best digital clamp meters built to handle your toughest jobs. If you find this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get started. First up is the Klein Tools CL390 clamp meter. Here are some advantages of the Klein Tools CL390 clamp meter. TRMS auto-ranging accuracy for AC/DC. Incorporates true root-mean squared auto-ranging technology to deliver precise measurement of AC/DC current up to 400 amperes, AC/DC voltage up to 600 volts, resistance, frequency, capacitance, DC microamps, and temperature via a thermocouple probe. High visibility reverse contrast LCD display. Equipped with a 4,000 count reverse contrast display that optimizes viewability and readability. Integrated non-contact voltage tester. Features a built-in NCVT sensor directly within the clamp jaw, allowing quick, safe, and convenient detection of live AC voltage without needing test lead contacts. Rugged job site durability and safety. Engineered to withstand demanding environments, featuring a 6.6-foot drop protection rating, along with a Cat 3600-volt safety rating and double insulation. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Proster Digital Clamp Meter 6000 counts. Here are some advantages of the Proster Digital Clamp Meter 6000 counts. True RMS 6000 count precision. Provides high accuracy true RMS measurements across 6,000 counts for precise readings of AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, and temperature. Non-contact voltage detection with visual. Features built-in non-contact voltage sensing that alerts you with an audible buzzer and indicator light when live AC voltage. Backlit LCD display. Equipped with a large, clear backlit display and an integrated LED flashlight, allowing effortless measurement reading in dark panels. Comprehensive overload. Designed in compliance with IEC-61010-1 overvoltage standards with double insulation and overload protection. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Anenge Digital Clamp Meter. Here are some advantages of the Anenge Digital Clamp Meter. Multifunctional testing capability. Serves as a versatile all-in-one diagnostic tool, measuring AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, and continuity. True RMS auto-ranging precision. Incorporates true RMS technology with high display counts to deliver accurate, reliable readings across various electronic components. Non-contact voltage detection. Features built-in NCV sensing that alerts you to live AC lines using visual and audible alarms without making physical contact with bare conductors. Compact ergonomic design. Designed with a lightweight build, clear backlit LCD display, and an integrated LED flashlight. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Kywitz Digital Clamp Meter. Here are some advantages of the Kywitz Digital Clamp Meter. True RMS auto-ranging precision. Features true RMS technology with high display resolution for accurate measurements of AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, and temperature. Non-contact voltage detection. Includes an integrated non-contact voltage sensor with visual light indicators and audible alarms to detect live AC voltage safely. Dual-color backlit LCD. Equipped with a large screen that changes color and an integrated LED flashlight, ensuring clear visibility in dark electrical enclosures. Professional safety compliance. Built to strictly adhere to IEC Cat 3600-volt safety standards, featuring overload protection, low battery indication, and an automatic power-off feature. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have Fluke 323 True RMS Clamp Meter. Here are some advantages of the Fluke 323 True RMS Clamp Meter. True RMS measurements. delivers accurate AC current and AC/DC voltage readings, even when testing complex or noisy nonlinear electrical signals. Slim and ergonomic design. Features a compact, lightweight body and jaw opening that easily fits into tight cable compartments and crowded junction boxes for single-handed troubleshooting. Audible continuity. Measures resistance up to 4 kiloohms with an integrated audible continuity sensor to quickly verify circuit conductivity, switches, fuses, and electrical contacts. Industrial safety standard compliance. Built with rugged Fluke durability and rated to Cat 4 300 volts, Cat 3 600 volt safety standards, ensuring high-level protection. Check the description for more details on this product. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you find the right clamp meter, wishing you all the best and stay safe on your next project. See you in the next video.